Alright guys, and run this for Josh. He's got one of his cool custom flags. Winner picks 1, 24 spots at 3. Type live. We are live 4:04 p.m. 4:04 p.m. We're going to grab the list. And we're going to drop it into random. 24 entries, Ben on the bottom, Jason Will on top. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. It's high enough. We're going 7 times. Good luck. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Brian, spot 11. You are the winner. Get in touch with Josh and arrange your pickup of your flag. We are done. 4:05. Go back on the post. We will type done. We are done. 4:05 p.m. 4:05 p.m. And right down here is the timestamp and the verification.